G'day guys, how's it going? So, it's been a while since I've done an unboxing video, and I just got something brand new, and I don't even know how long it's been on the market. Maybe a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Who bloody knows? But I have one. So today we are going to be unboxing the brand new GoPro Hero 9. So yeah, let's get into it. Oh wait, first, this is the first GoPro I have had since the first GoPro Hero came out. I literally have the first GoPro Hero right here. Let's have a look at it real quick. Look at this little goober. That's the Hero 1. So one day I plugged her in to do an upload, did the upload, and then the camera never worked again. So there's the little bugger. So after I unbox it, I'll do a little comparison with this. And then I'm going to go over some of the specs of the new 9 Hero, or Hero 9, whatever it is, 9 Hero. And compare it to the 8 and see the difference, because there's some really significant upgrades that you're going to love. But without further ado, let's get it here. All right, let's get this puppy open.
So this actually came from the post.
So now, I actually bought a little bundle, which I'll put that right up now. You can see the bundle I purchased. I think I paid about $4.60 something for the total thing. But so here's the camera. Let's rip this out real quick. So there she is. Pretty cool. Obviously in here there's a hard case. So yeah, just seeing where oh, there's a little pull tab at the bottom here. That's crazy, right? So there, hard case. So that this is the little bundle I bought. It comes with this little handheld, and the cool thing about the newer GoPros is they have inbuilt connectors. I'll pull that out. Oh, there she is. A little bit glary on the camera, I know, sorry, but you'll see. Just have a look at this video real quick and you'll see it close up. But it definitely has some cool features now. So like I said, I will go over the difference between the 8 and the 9 just to show you. A little grip, foam handle, not bad. Wrist strap so you can hang on to it so you don't lose it. This bundle came with that handle, a spare battery. I bought a second battery. And I also bought, I guess this is a dual charger. So basically, you can put both batteries in at the same time, so you can dual charge. So $34, and it came with a battery. So now there's 2 batteries there. I don't know if there's a battery inside this box as well. So I guess we'll rip her open and check it out, eh? Because you never know. Yep, and there's a 3rd battery. So I guess you get one with the camera, the spare one with the actual bundle, and then I bought the 3rd one. So 3 batteries, so that's kind of cool. And that's the little charger, nice and compact. And then it just obviously has the little USB cable right here. Oh yeah, awesome. So that's cool. Also, second USB that comes with the bundle, and then there's this little magnetic clip. So this will stick on anything metal, and then you can actually clip it onto whatever you want. And then the camera obviously slots straight on there, same as the handle. Pretty cool. And then there's a couple little mounts that come in the bundle as well, and that top mount. So yeah, pretty cool. I wanted to show you the little cameras together. You can see the size difference. Look at that. Original Hero, GoPro 9. Now, you see the GoPro 9 has an LCD screen on the front now, which is actually a display, not just, you know, camera information. So yeah, we'll put these pictures up and you can see the difference between the GoPro 9 and the GoPro 8. So the GoPro 8 had Hypersmooth 2.0 and now the 9 has Hypersmooth 3.0, so that's been upgraded. Time Warp 2.0 to Time Warp 3.0. The 8 had a 12 megapixel camera and the 9 has a 20 megapixel camera, so that's a big upgrade. The 8 did not have the liquid crystal display on the front and the 9 does. The 8 shot in 4K at 60 and up to 240 frames a second at 1080p. Now the 9 shoots in 5K at 30 frames and up to 240 frames in 1080p. But there's variations of the resolution there. So they both do slow-mo at 8x and it's 240 frames a second. Both do live streaming. The 9 has voice control, the 8 did not. So the bundle I purchased was $3.99 and I added the spare battery and the charger. So the bundle came with the 1 year subscription to GoPro, which is only 49 bucks. So that basically gives you cloud access and whatnot on their site. The Hero 9 floating hand grip, the magnetic clip-on swivel head, a spare battery and an SD card. So you get that for $3.99. Normally I think it's $4.99. So you save 100 bucks when you sign up for the subscription. So that's a great deal. This camera has more resolution, like I said, than the 8, and it will do 14.7 megapixel frame grabs. So as you're shooting, you can actually shoot pictures as you're shooting video, and it'll do great frame grabs. So that's pretty good resolution frame grabs. More pixels. As I said, the camera is 20 megapixel and the old 8 was 14 megapixels. So that's a massive difference. To give you an example, my Canon 60D digital camera is 18 megapixels. Although that camera is about 9-10 years old. So that makes a difference. The max lens mode. So the lens on this puppy is geared for stability. So I guess it you know, has gyroscopic technology and stuff in there, but from the videos I've seen, that is amazing. You've got the more screens, so you've got the rear screen and the front screen now. So that obviously makes a big difference in being able to film. So if you're filming selfies and things like that, you can now see yourself a lot easier. As I mentioned about slow motion, it has 8x slow-mo at 240 frames per second. So how it works is cinematic sequences, as in films are shot in 24 frames a second. So for each second passes, you'll see 24 frames on the screen. So for slow-mo, you want more frames. So 240 frames per second allows you to see all the detail without the jittering. So it's just seamless. It's amazing. If you get a camera and you actually experiment on shooting on different frame rates, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. More acceleration. The time-lapse video with Time Warp 3.0 is phenomenal. And there's a little feature called speed hum, and what you can do is you can tap it as you're doing the time lapse and it'll slow the action down. So if you were shooting some time lapse and something cool happened, you want to slow it down, you can actually do it as you're shooting, which is great. That's new technology. There is a really cool feature called hindsight, and what happens is it shoots 30 seconds before you even start recording. So it's always shooting. So if you saw something, you're like, oh damn, I didn't get that. When you press record, it's already got 30 seconds before you even pressed it. So you will never miss that crazy moment that you thought, whoa. So that's how people get those things. Always wondered. It's like, how come there was a camera on right at the right time when that thing exploded or crashed or whatever? There's also a feature called live burst when you're taking pictures. So it will record 1.5 seconds before and after you take the picture, so you can actually find the best frame for your picture. It has live stream technology, so you can actually hook the camera up to a computer and live stream, and the hyper smooth makes it incredible. So basically that, I've got a bit of a mess there, haven't I? That was the GoPro 9 Hero. Obviously just pulled it out of the box. I haven't even had a chance to like test it or play with it. So it'd be interesting to see, but get on GoPro's website and they actually have videos of the hyper smooth and the time warp and things like that. Oh, and it's also, this little puppy has a removable lens. So that lens removes somehow. I haven't obviously tried it, so I don't even know how, but she does remove. And it also has this, I think they call it horizontal 360. So basically you can have it so whatever you've attached it to will move, but the vision stays dead straight, so it locks onto the horizon basically. So it can literally spin right around and it'll stay locked onto horizon. So anyway, that's the basic, the GoPro Hero 9 Black Edition. So yeah, check it out. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I need to get some footage of this baby to show you what it's like. But the stuff on GoPro's website's amazing. So like I said, go to GoPro.com and check it out. Do me a favor, if you liked the video, make a comment if you have any questions, like and subscribe if you will. And you know, there's going to be more product reviews coming. And going on a crazy vacation next month, so be taking the drone and stuff there. But appreciate you tuning in. I hope you've learned something. I probably missed something that I'll look back on and be like, wow, forgot about that. But anyway, oh, one more thing. It did come with an SD card, okay? I actually have, it's a 32 gig, and I've actually got a couple of spare ones, so all good. And then, of course, you got your instruction booklet and whatnot. So almost forgot those. So sorry about that. But yeah, that's it, guys. So a nice little case to put her in, and got all the accessories and stuff to go in there. But she's bloody awesome. I can't wait to shoot with it. And that the Hyper Smooth 3.0 is incredible. And again, look at the video on your GoPro's website. Check it out. It's bloody amazing. I love it. All right, guys. I appreciate you. Peace out.
I wish that I could be like